MTD Network have travelled to St Neots, to the home of Titan. Now we're here today and been invited to their supplier open house. We're going to discover the importance of the supply chain, and we're going to look into their past, their present and their future. So we're just about to start a tour at the Titan open house. Mark is leading this tour. They're doing 6 tours during the day for all of the suppliers that supply all the technical equipment to this fantastic company. So let's go upstairs and start the tour. So this is a brief history about Titan. This car to my left was on pole at Monaco. But we're going into the technical department now. So we've just been in the planning and technical department here at Titan, and we're just going to be shown onto the shop floor to the manufacturing facility, which is downstairs. So the Milltap 700 is one of the machines that they've just been looking at, one of the latest investments here at Titan. And there are some new investments just around the corner too. So we've got the DMU50, 2 of them in fact. We've got one here that's actually running a real compact 5th axis machine tool. It's really took Titan into a different arena with this technology, and as you can see they're producing some 5th axis components. So now we're moving on into the next department, and this is where they preset all of the tooling, all the jigs, all the fixtures, so they're not wasting any time setting. All the fixtures, jigs, tools are all ready to go, and it just saves downtime and increases efficiency and productivity. So presetting tools is so advantageous in this industry, just to save time and just to keep you efficient. And as we've seen in the presentation, really, your customers, need them components straight away. Now, here are some examples of the components that are being manufactured here at Titan. We're just going into the R&D facility now. So we've got an insight into some of the prototype components that are being manufactured here at Titan, such as this that they're actually using for a real life application. So it's brilliant to get an insight, and it's brilliant to see how they're embracing the latest technology. We're going to go downstairs now to have a look at their assembly department. So if you've manufactured the components, then you need to assemble them, and this is where it's done here at this new facility at Titan. And so here are some of the components that have been fully assembled and ready to go. So we've just been on a tour at Titan, very impressive. What's your relationship with Titan?
We are a supplier to Titan, a relatively new one, and our business at HV Wooding, we're manufacturing buzz bars and wire-eroded components for electric vehicle and motorsport. So very interesting to have a look around and see the technology and the type of opportunities for us.
Were you impressed with the technology that you saw?
Yeah, very good technology within the company. The CNC machining 5-axis is certainly state of the art. It's as good as anything you're likely to see in the sector.
So we're trying to build a relationship with our supply chain, all of our supply chain, whether that's our component suppliers or our machine tool suppliers. and DMG have been absolutely vital to us in the last 12 months, particularly in moving forward as we move into more complex machining and 5-axis milling.
Now, 5-axis milling, you know, you're hitting more sides of a component, you're doing the components all in one, effectively, Steve. Can you tell us about this relationship? How long has it been going? You've got 3 new machines in there, but you've had some machines in the past also.
Yes, I've noticed there's a very old Gildemeister in there, 310 Gildemeister turning machine. We've also got NLX, we've got a mill tap, and we've got some DMU 50s. And there are some 5-axis parts that Michael produces from Solid that utilises the whole 5-axis, not just the position. The relationship is really great to understand a day like today. See other suppliers, understand what they do for Titan Motorsport, and how we can actually improve giving the service to Michael and his team.
It was a really good tour. Our industry, the industry that I'm in, metal stampings, it's not actually something they currently use a lot of at the moment, but something that they're potentially looking to bring in. So it's really exciting for me to have a look around and get an idea of what they currently do and how what they potentially could be doing will fit in with us as a potential supplier to them.
What was the highlight of the tour for you?
I really enjoyed going down the research and development area. That was interesting. I had all the 3D printers and the automated steering systems, so that was really interesting to have a look around.
So that's it from Titan. It's been a lovely day. It was great to catch up with George and to get his perspective on the business. I hope you've enjoyed the video and had an insight into this fantastic company, which is certainly going places.